The future of the Iraqi dinar, a potential financial game changer? Currency fluctuations have long been a topic of intrigue, especially in regions with dynamic economies. Among the many currencies that have garnered attention, the Iraqi dinar stands out due to its potential for a major shift in value. With recent developments in Iraq's financial system and the global economy, many investors and analysts are closely watching the dinar's trajectory. Could we be on the verge of a financial transformation that affects not just Iraq, but the entire region and even the world? This article will explore key factors influencing the Iraqi dinar, including the role of currency auctions, the impact of lower banknotes, and the significance of recent economic developments. By the end, you will have a clearer picture of what the future may hold for Iraq's currency and what it could mean for your financial decisions. Understanding the Iraqi dinar and its historical context. The Iraqi dinar, IQD, has undergone significant changes over the past few decades. Following the fall of Saddam Hussein's regime in 2003, Iraq's economy faced instability, leading to a decline in the dinar's value. While Iraq is one of the world's richest countries in terms of oil reserves, political instability, corruption, and external pressures have prevented the dinar from realizing its full potential. Currently, the dinar is tightly controlled by Iraq's central bank, and its value is largely determined through currency auctions. These auctions play a crucial role in maintaining stability, preventing excessive inflation, and managing foreign exchange rates. However, there is increasing speculation that changes in these auctions could lead to a significant appreciation in the dinar's value. The role of currency auctions in Iraq's economy. What are currency auctions? Currency auctions are a mechanism used by the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, to regulate the exchange rate of the dinar against foreign currencies, particularly the US dollar. Through these auctions, the CBI sells US dollars to commercial banks and financial institutions, which then distribute them to businesses and the public. The main goal is to stabilize the exchange rate and ensure a steady flow of foreign currency into the economy. However, these auctions have been a subject of debate. Critics argue that they create opportunities for money laundering, corruption, and capital flight. In response, Iraq has been implementing stricter regulations to ensure transparency and prevent illicit financial activities. Why are these auctions important for the dinar's value? The dinar's value remains largely dependent on these auctions. When demand for US dollars is high, the dinar weakens. Conversely, if the central bank reduces dollar sales or changes auction policies, the dinar could appreciate. There is growing speculation that once these auctions cease or are significantly altered, the dinar could experience a surge in value. This is based on the belief that Iraq's economic fundamentals, such as its vast oil wealth, justify a stronger currency. The rise of lower banknotes and their impact. Another key factor to consider is the role of lower denomination banknotes. When a currency strengthens, smaller denominations become more significant in everyday transactions. For example, if the dinar appreciates significantly, a 250 dinar note could hold much greater purchasing power than it does today. This could lead to a shift in how money is used within Iraq, with lower banknotes playing a more critical role in daily commerce. Why are lower banknotes significant? 1. Daily transactions. Smaller denominations become more practical for routine purchases, reducing the need for high-value notes. 2. Increased consumer confidence. A stronger currency enhances purchasing power, leading to greater economic activity. 3. Reduction in dollar dependence. If the dinar appreciates, Iraqi citizens and businesses may rely less on the US dollar for trade and transactions. Some financial analysts believe that the closure of currency auctions will lead to an increase in the value of lower banknotes. If this happens, everyday citizens could see an improvement in their standard of living as their money stretches further. The impact of Iraq's global financial integration. One of the most significant recent developments is Iraq's decision to integrate its electronic payment system with international financial networks. This means that Iraq can now accept foreign credit and debit cards, while Iraqi-issued cards can be used internationally. Why is this a game changer? 1. Increased foreign investment. International businesses are more likely to invest in Iraq if they can seamlessly conduct financial transactions. 2. Greater economic stability. Linking to global financial networks strengthens Iraq's banking system and reduces reliance on cash transactions. 3. Potential for currency revaluation. As Iraq becomes more integrated with the global economy, it could pave the way for a stronger and more stable dinar. By modernizing its financial infrastructure, Iraq is taking a major step toward economic growth. This move is also seen as a prerequisite for any significant appreciation of the dinar. Could the Iraqi dinar surpass the Kuwaiti dinar? The Kuwaiti dinar, KWD, is currently the highest valued currency in the world. Given Iraq's oil wealth, some analysts speculate that the Iraqi dinar could eventually surpass the Kuwaiti dinar in value. While this is a bold claim, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Factors that could lead to a stronger dinar. Oil production. Iraq has the 5th largest proven oil reserves in the world, and increased production could boost economic stability. Economic reforms. Ongoing reforms aimed at reducing corruption and improving financial management could enhance investor confidence. Global trade partnerships. Strengthening economic ties with global powers like China, the EU, and the US could attract further investment. However, for the dinar to surpass the Kuwaiti dinar, Iraq would need to undergo substantial economic and political reforms. While progress is being made, it remains a long-term possibility rather than an imminent reality. The influence of bond payments on the currency's value. Recently, Iraq has started issuing bond payments in US dollars, signaling that the government is meeting its financial obligations. While some may assume this will directly impact the dinar's value, bond payments and exchange rates operate on different timelines. What do bond payments indicate? 1. Economic stability. The ability to pay bonds shows that Iraq is financially stable enough to meet its debt obligations. 2. Investor confidence. Foreign investors are more likely to trust a government that consistently repays its debts. 3. Market anticipation. While bond payments don't directly impact currency value, they create a sense of anticipation that could influence market behavior. If Iraq continues to meet its bond obligations, it could strengthen investor confidence, leading to increased foreign investment and potentially boosting the dinar's value. What should investors and everyday citizens do? If you are watching the dinar's movements closely, there are a few steps you can take to prepare for potential changes. 1. Monitor currency auctions. Changes in Iraq's currency auction policies could be a key signal of a shift in the dinar's value. 2. Keep an eye on economic reforms. Government policies aimed at reducing corruption and improving financial transparency could positively impact the currency. 3. Consider holding lower denomination banknotes. If the dinar appreciates, smaller banknotes may become more valuable in daily transactions. 4. Stay informed on global financial developments. Iraq's integration with international financial systems could have a significant long-term impact. Conclusion: is a major shift on the horizon. The Iraqi dinar remains one of the most intriguing currencies in the global financial landscape. With changes in currency auctions, increased financial integration, and ongoing economic reforms, there is potential for a significant appreciation in its value. While speculation about the dinar surpassing the Kuwaiti dinar may be premature, Iraq's economic trajectory suggests a brighter future. Investors, financial analysts, and everyday citizens should keep a close eye on developments, as they could have far-reaching implications for Iraq and beyond. Whether the dinar's value rises gradually or experiences a sudden jump, one thing is certain. Understanding the forces at play will be crucial for making informed financial decisions. Would you be willing to bet on the Iraqi dinar's future? Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep watching the financial landscape as it evolves.